Hi everyone, this is Adrian from Instagraphic Systems, and today I'll be showcasing our high-density HPF transfer. High-density HPF is a plastisol screen printed heat transfer. This product is perfect for when you want your graphic to come to life with dimension and depth. High-density HPF will adhere to a wide range of fabrics,
but is best used on cotton and cotton blends.
High-density HPF is long-lasting and washed like a standard plastisol heat transfer. Today we are using our Insta 256 heat press, and the garment we are using is a concert tee from District Clothing. We would like to thank SanMar for writing the garments used in this video. We are fusing at 320 degrees Fahrenheit, medium to firm pressure, 8-second dwell time, and this product is built hot for fast production and maximum loft.
What I love about high-density HPF is the colors and impact it produces. Check out how amazing this looks.
Thank you for viewing our product. And remember, when performance matters, Insta has your total solution.